Good
Good
afternoon, Your Honor. Before I proceed, kagaya rin po sana ng request ni Engineer Bryce kanina, dahil medyo paselan po itong conversation na to, baka pwedeng mag-request din po sana ako ng security sa kanya.
Yes po. The committee commits to the safety and security of the witnesses and indigenous persons who are here, who are committed to the truth. No? So the same is the same will be granted to Engineer Mendoza. You may proceed.
Thank you, sir. Sir, yung picture po na yan ay noong October 2023 na kung saan nagre-request po si Senator Joel ng yung mga binasa po ni Engineer Bryce ng flood control kanina na nakasaado sa context. Apat lang po yung napapicturean sa akin ng boss ko. Kumbaga, parang sa summary po na yan na sinasabi ni Senator Joel na bababa lang yung kanyang pondo. So, valid siya ang majority floor. Siyang majority floor leader siya noong that time and member siya ng Commission on Appointment.
Okay. Thank you for providing the context, but you have to state for the record who you are, who this person is. Is this Senator? Nakalagay lang po si Sen Joel. So, is this the Senator that we know? Joel Villanueva?
Yes, sir.
Alright, can you read for the record also the content, the specific content of the message?
Again, naguguluhan ako bigla kay Sec para nakalimutan ba niya. Number one, props of flood control and all the efforts we put in. Number two, for his CA, his budget this coming year, etc. He committed sa akin pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary.
Alright. Do we have another slide for us? Ito mas malinaw po.
Mr. Chair, clarification lang. Kanino sinend yung message and sino yung sec? When dun sa message, you are referring to a sec. Sino yung sec?
Secretary Manny Bunuan ko.
Okay? Kanino sinend yung message na yan?
Boss Henry po.
Bakit may kopya?
Dahil disappearing message po yan, hindi po niya pwedeng screenshot. Pinapicturean po niya para mabasa po.
Kanino pinapicturean?
Sa akin po.
Alright, thank you. So, fault of basically ni District Engineer Alcantara. Alright, next slide. Do we have other slides? Can we go back again? Go back to the last. Pangalawang ano yan, di ba? Can you read for the record? Excuse me po. Ano? Can we read? Second slide. Next slide. Yan. Can we read for the record what is in the second message? Para lang po malinaw. Again, this is a conversation supposedly between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, which is supposedly a disappearing message, no? Tapos pinicturean po. Pinapicturean kay Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po. Can you read it for the record, please?
For his CA, his budget is coming year, etc. Committed sa akin, pinakamababang commitment ng DPWH Secretary. Ngayon parang lumalabas same na ang 1 and 2. Pag-usapan namin, boss, bukas, boss. So, can relate to SEC po.
Okay. Alright, thank you. Next slide. This is another slide which is the same context. Alright. Sige po, just read it for the record. This is another slide. Conversation between Senator Joel and District Engineer Henry Alcantara, taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Sige po.
Yes, boss. See you po bukas 6 p.m. sa JRL. Majority leader tayo, hindi ko or just one CA member. Yes, boss, I will.
Alright, that is clear. Next slide, please.
May atraso DPWH.
Sorry, I have to provide the context. Again, this is another screenshot. This is the fourth picture. Conversation between Senator Joel Villanueva and District Engineer Henry Alcantara. Taken by Engineer JP Mendoza. Please proceed with reading the contents.
May atraso DPWH sa akin, so if it treats me na isa lang issue, he's not respecting me.
Alright. Alright, next slide, please. Who is this person?
That's from my phone, Your Honor.
This is maybe nagkabaliktad po yung susunod po ang una. Ito po. This was way back 2022. The time when Beng Ramos was introduced to me by my boss, D. Alcantara. And sinabi niya dito na may project na binigay si Boss Henry Alcantara sa kanya. So, from WJ Construction, yung ano po, yung tao. And related sa kanya si Miss Beng Ramos, which is staff of Senator Jinggoy. Dito po is conversation, before proceeding, can we state for the record again who is Beng Ramos?
Staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada po.
Staff of Senator Beng Ramos is a staff of Senator Jinggoy Estrada.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright, please proceed.
This was the time na